Alton Towers Hotel. Very tired, very wet, but we're stopping in the Moon Voyage Room. Let's go. Right, so the Moon Voyage Room. We've just got the park. We're tired, cold.
Soaked. Yeah,
but we haven't seen it. It's here. 355. Right, should we go have a look?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, these are fancy lights.
Oh, look at these.
Oh my goodness! Wow.
Wow, guys, look at this. What is this?
That is crazy.
Hey. What? Oh, Hev. There's a bear.
There's a giant bear.
There's a giant bear.
Oh my gosh! There's three bears
There's
in here
three
tonight.
bears. Oh, it says he's got some writing on his foot there. My name is Archibald,
Archibald, yeah.
and I live in this amazing room. Please leave me here to continue to enjoy my adventure with Sir Algernon. Oh, I can never say his name. Algernon.
That is
ace.
fantastic.
Oh wow, look at the room, guys. The theme is pretty cool.
Oh look, they've even got like a little phone and all sorts.
Wow.
Oh, and you can flick them on from there.
Oh wow, I just can't get over that bear, to be honest, Ev.
I know, he's so cute. He's like a Harry bear.
He is like a Harry Bear, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's our very own Harry Bear for tonight.
He is, he's so adorable.
It's absolutely ace. Have you seen the carpet as well?
know.
Guys.
It's
I
crazy.
know, you've got all our footprints here. Oh no, they're the Moon Voyagers. Oh, what's in there?
I know, but there's things that you can click on and stuff. Or be having fun later on trying to figure out what they do.
Yeah, I thought it might just do the lights or something.
Yeah, me
Got
too.
their own little toy for the kids there. It's pretty
That's
cool, isn't it?
fantastic,
Or
isn't
for
it?
the adults, actually, to be honest. You could easily, as long as you're over 6, I believe. Yeah, that's the same as the other one.
Oh, and we get an activity book.
Oh, wow, we've got an activity book.
Yeah.
What can we do in it? Oh, we can do some colouring in.
Yep. Like
Don't we?
spot the difference.
Ooh,
Word search.
looks pretty good, actually, doesn't it?
Bits and pieces. That's
Some
really
cranes and things. And our room's been prepared by, oh, can't let me focus there, Caitlin. There we go, Caitlin. Oh, thank you for preparing our room.
cool. You've done a fantastic job by the looks of it.
You really have. Looking good though, isn't it?
It is.
Shall I look in the bathroom?
Very good.
Always your tea and coffee facilities all here. And your travel coffee thing and an ironing board and your iron.
It's like space.
Oh, it's the moon, isn't it, Ev?
Yeah.
It's the moon. Hey. Hey, moon.
That's us.
That's us.
Look at
Oh,
that.
wow. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
That is really cool.
Ah.
I must admit, I can't wait to get in that shower.
No, me, get nice and freshened up. It's going to be feeling better, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, it's just looking pretty good. Obviously,
Fantastic,
all the
isn't
usual
it?
stuff, your toilets, your showers and things. Yeah, oh, there we go. What's this? Tells us the
Water pressure.
water pressure there. Is it 190 by the covers? Not too bad. Shaver thing there.
Oh, you do get
You get an ironing board. Did you get? I don't think you got an ironing board in the lodges, did
I
you?
don't think so.
A fridge.
And a little fridge. That's nice, isn't it?
That is very nice, isn't it?
But yeah, no, that's ace. That is really good.
That is really good, isn't it? I'm
Yeah.
really quite impressed with everything, to be honest.
Absolutely amazing.
Quite like the lamp as well. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good room.
Yeah.
There's loads of mirrors as well. We're
Yeah,
just walking around.
there
There's
is.
mirrors everywhere.
Oh, there is a hairdryer. So that's
There
good
is a
if you do need
hairdryer.
one.
Desk
Sit there,
area
do
here.
makeup.
If you do want to see what's in the Dear Guest, I think that's only for for last night the 15th and tonight the 16th.
Yeah.
The park days being the 16th of March and 17th of March, Saturday, Sunday opening weekend. You might still get a Dear Guest letter, but it probably isn't going to be revolving about what that is.
Yeah.
So if you want to check out that, guys, check out our lodge video, the
Yes.
Enchanted Lodge. You'll see exactly what's in there, but it's very relevant to a certain coaster that's returned to the park this weekend.
Ooh.
Well, so a little bit of a short, sweet video there, guys. But this is the room. There isn't much to show.
Absolutely brilliant though.
Yeah.
Very well themed.
Really enjoying this. We've been in a few seconds. We've
Yeah.
got our Harry Bear just here with us for tonight. So he's going to be chilling with us. New part of the Bear Club.
Yeah.
Make sure if you want to be part of the Bear Club, leave a like, subscribe, and you're going to see all our action, aren't you?
You will indeed.
Yeah, so we're going to have a little chill in the hotel room. Going to have a little wander around the hotel. We'll try and include a few other little bits.
Yeah.
And if not, we'll see you for breakfast.
Ooh.
Create your name.
Oh,
You see this little thing? Create your own dapper name.
So, Lindquist. Oh, that's Heather, Eugene.
Lindquist Eugene.
And you are Williston, Granville.
Williston, Granville, and something Eugene.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's quite good though, isn't it? I suppose for the kids more than
It's a
anything.
dapper name, apparently.
It says a dapper name, isn't it?
Yeah, I think Hev Bear's better.
I forgot the mine already, to be honest. Must stick with bears.
Yeah.
Well, it's been a bit interesting night in the bar, hasn't
It's
it?
been fantastic, hasn't
Yeah,
it?
and it seems like we're pretty much one of the last ones here, to be honest, aren't we?
There's only a couple left, to be
There's
fair.
literally just a few stragglers left. I don't blame you, to be honest. It's been a long day, hasn't it?
It has.
But we need some sleep now, don't we?
Definitely.
Right, should we go to bed then?
Good night.
Well, that's our stay at the Alton Towers Moon Voyage Room done.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to take this stuff down to the car, but we still got breakfast, so we'll show you breakfast.
Oh, yeah, I can't wait for breakfast.
I imagine it's going to be similar than the Treehouses breakfast in the Enchanted Village.
Yeah, in the crooked spoon.
In the Crooked Spoon, yeah. So hopefully sausages, egg, bacon, beans. Can't wait. Have we just met her?
Darwin!
Darwin!
Dodo!
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh, wow, we met Darwin, didn't we?
Picture of them, don't we?
Yeah, we'll put that up on screen, won't we?
Yeah.
Should we get on for breakfast?
Yeah, I'm starving.
And me, let's go. Well, we're in, aren't we? Yeah. I can't remember what this place is called. Probably
The
on way up.
Secret Garden?
Secret Garden. It does look like a garden, doesn't it, to be honest?
Yeah,
You just stand little bits there. And we're a little bit late in the day, so there's a little bit less bacon and eggs
yeah,
than
there's
usual.
some more over there.
There's some more over there.
Yeah.
That's really good for the evening meals, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Toast and things there.
Yeah, I think I might have to start with the coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah, they're just there.
Let's start with the classic coffee then. Oh, look at that, Ez.
Breakfast!
We got our breakfast, round 2 breakfast.
Yeah.
Well, day 2 breakfast.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty similar to before, except we got scrambled this time. Kind of different, isn't it?
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, but I quite like this place. It's quite good, isn't it? Yeah. Secret Gardens. Ooh. Wonder if there's any bears?
Maybe.
There's 2 here. Oh, done with breakfast. I'm full.
I'm very full. I'm
very
stuffed.
Yeah. But I think it's pretty much the end of our stay here, isn't it? Alton Towers. It's been a fantastic weekend. Make sure you check out the videos. Plenty more coming up as well, isn't there?
Yeah,
Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. We do reply to all comments we do see.
Yeah, we try to.
We try to. But if you've liked this one, guys, plenty more coming soon.